Hey YouTube, my name is William and this is Blue Ridge 3D Printing. My wife and I are in our 60s, and with our jobs that we have, they're fairly physical and our bodies are starting to feel that. So we started looking for a way to supplement our income. Searching the web and YouTube and everything, we kind of found 3D printing is very interesting. So 4 months ago we bought our first printer from Bamboo Labs, and we've been printing ever since. We really enjoy it. The only thing we didn't like was having to wait for the print to get done, so we went out and bought some more printers. And now we can get things done a little bit quicker. What our goal is to sell items online, create STL files that create products that help seniors. And if we can do that, then it'd be something that would be rewarding for my wife and myself. As far as the printers, we'll get into all of that later. Right now, it's the hardest thing to do is to get started on YouTube, and you have to make that first video. So that's what I'm doing. So I don't expect anyone to really see the video. Your first videos aren't very good, which you can tell this one's probably terrible. But we have to put one up to get started. So if you have any advice or anything like that, please leave it down in the comments and let me know, because all I want to do is get better at this and create the content that is helpful to people our age. Until next time, I don't know what I'll be printing, but I hope you're there with us.